In my other nationality, as a born and bred Jamzilian, sad to say, Yoga Bonito is dying. The fans are suffering. Brazil is in the early mix in the South American World Cup qualifiers and likely will qualify for the World Cup. But even that looks shaky right now. I mean, Brazil qualifying for the World Cup or making the quarterfinal or the semi-final is not success. Anything outside of winning the title is devastating for Brazilians. Another 20-year cycle has come and gone winless. And the way the Brazil team is looking right now, another 20 years in the wilderness is looming. The superstar of the team, Neymar, has been basically a prolific diver and a walking injury. Brazil don't look like Brazil anymore. The skill, the flair, the fluidity are all gone. And it's not like those qualities have been replaced by discipline, efficiency. Them not disciplined or efficient either. It is painful to watch Brazil play right now. Me feel like I want to give up my Jamzilian citizenship and revert to my full Jamaican status. Yeah, man. Jamaica, me say again, fully, but done with Brazil.